Hello!
Hi!
I'm trying to make room for Katie.
We'll fit.
With the garage door opener on the...
Oh, okay. Big butt. Did it look like a butt hut? No, he didn't. Wow. That sounds good. I'll just leave mine outside. Hi, how's it going? That's it? Yeah. It'll be the espresso bowl, and then we can continue the milk.
I'm gonna make some omelets. Do either some American omelets or maybe some French omelets. What you got? Your mic sensitivity is really low, Carolina. She's not going to hear anything on that bell helmet anyways. That's so true.
Ooh, whoa. heading towards our main destination, which is Idyllwild. And I just wanted to give you a second look of Ortega Highway. This is the view going down. I thought it was better than going up, but it was still fun to ride. Next, we're gonna check in with the crew.
How do you feel, Gideon? How do you feel?
Oh. I was like, ah.
Are you ready?
Yeah. I'm ready to be on camera with my hair looking like this.
Always. Everyone's gonna be looking at the bike. Don't worry. Claro.
Oh, Anna, did you turn your cardo off?
I did.
Automatically regroup.
Ready? You ready, pretty lady?
What?
Ready, pretty lady?
I can't hear you saying.
Yay!
I have never been to this canyon before, and it was so much fun. It was full of those curves that you just don't know when they're gonna end. And even though there was some traffic, people were super nice and eventually moved to the side. And that is when hell broke loose. And then we got stuck behind an RV. But that's okay, we are almost there.
Bucket up.
Does anyone want a pickle?
I am gonna try a french fry though.
Anna, do you like pickles?
Oh my god. Yeah, wow.
Here we started to talk about how annoying gas pumps can be and how this also happened to them.
Oh, come on. I almost got a cramp.